Hey guys, so in this video I'll tell you how to record your MacBook screen without downloading any external software, without paying for any external software. You can record your screen, you can show your face and record your voice. It's already inside in your Mac. You do not need any kind of external software. Let me show you how you can use that easily. So let's go to my MacBook screen. So right now I am in my MacBook screen. Here you just need to press command and space and select QuickTime Player. Just cancel it and go to file. Click on new movie recording. So it will show your face like this. So after that go to view. Click on float on top. So you can resize your screen and it will float on top wherever you go. You can change your browser, but this will be everywhere you go. So right now your face is settled, and after this just press command shift and 5. So this is your secret shortcut to screen recording toolbar. It will appear in the bottom of your screen. So first three are the screenshot options and the last three are the video recording options. So here you can select you can record your entire screen. Here you can record your selected window. Here you can select a record any selected portion like this. Okay, you can change the selected portion. You can do like this and record. So right now I want to record the entire screen like this, and here go to options and make sure you want to save wherever you want. You can save desktop, documents or any other location, just choose it. And here you can choose the timer. If you want to select a record instantly, just select none. Otherwise you can select 5 seconds or 10 seconds if you want more time to record. So it will show you a timer. You just select your microphone. So if you select none, your voice will not be recorded. So you need to careful about that. Select the show mouse clicks. So right now just press record, and you can see on the top right there is a circle and inside that there is a rectangle. So that means your screen is getting recorded. So let's say if you want to change your background in your video. Okay, so how we can do that? So just go to QuickTime Player and click on center stage, click on portrait, click on studio light, click on edge light, click on background. So it will remove your background and so like this. Okay, so it's very useful. Just change it like this and you can record. Press command shift and 5. Now you record your voice. Select your microphone and your face will be recorded like this, and just press record. So you can see it's being recorded here, and when you want to stop the recording just press it here and the recording will appear like this. Okay, you can see the recording sample here. Record. So you can see it's being recorded here, and when you want to stop the recording just press it here. Okay, now you saw that how you can record your screen, your face and your voice simultaneously. Hope you like this video. Apply it in your life and make tutorials, make YouTube recordings, YouTube videos, whatever you want to do. And subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.